Installing grips to a specific size requires an understanding of all the elements contributing to the final size of the grip. A standard grip is only standard when installed when all the elements that affect grip size are considered. There are three main elements to sizing grips. The grip diameter is the core size of the grip. The core size of the grip is usually molded on the inside of the grip mouth. Illustrated in this chart are some of the grip size, gender, and shape designations molded inside the mouth of the grip. The 58R or M58R designations mean the grip has a 580 core diameter and is a round design. The 60 or M60 designations would mean the grip has a 600 core size and a ribbed designation. Generally, when there is no M or L, it is assumed it is a men's size grip. It is important to note that there is no standard designation used by all grip manufacturers, and these designations may vary. The outside diameter of the shaft butt will also determine what the final grip size will be. If you put a grip on with a core diameter smaller than the butt diameter of the shaft, the grip will be a larger size than intended. This is because the inside diameter of the grip will stretch or grow to fit over the larger diameter of the shaft, thereby increasing the size of the installed grip. The butt size of a shaft can be determined by using the Universal Master Grip Gauge or the digital calipers. Also, the butt sizes of most shafts manufactured today are listed in the Golfworks catalog or can be obtained by going to the manufacturer's website. Build-up tape or thick masking tape can be used under the two-sided grip tape to make a grip larger in size. Depending on the type of masking tape used, each layer of masking tape can add approximately 7 thousandths to 14 thousandths of an inch to the grip size. A standard size grip is one in which the core diameter of the grip matches the outer diameter of the shaft. The exception to this rule is if the grip manufacturer offers stock grips designated as a size other than standard, such as mid-size or jumbo. If these grips are used, the core size should match the shaft butt size to achieve the manufactured size of the grip. The chart shown assumes the installer knows the grip core size and the shaft butt size being used. When installing grips to achieve a non-standard size, careful calculations must be made using the grip core size, the shaft butt size, and the build-up tape size to accurately achieve the correct grip size. All grip sizes are measured 2 inches down from the butt end of the shaft. In calculating grip sizes, do not count the double-sided tape as one of the wraps. Grip manufacturers allow for the diameter of one piece of double-coated tape when referencing their grip mandrel size. Secure the club in the Golfworks gripping station. Be sure the club face is in a square position with the toe up and the leading edge at 90-degree angle to the floor. Check the clamping pressure to prevent shaft damage. Cut off the old grip using a hook blade utility knife. Remove all of the old tape. Check to be sure the club is still secure in the vise with the toe of the club head pointing up at a 90-degree angle to the floor. Using a Sharpie marker, mark the shaft approximately 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch short of where the mouth of the grip will be when installed. This will be used as a guide to determine the length of tape to be used. When building up a grip to a specific size, build-up tape is applied to the shaft prior to the two-sided tape. Peel off the appropriate amount of build-up tape from the tape dispenser. Remove the excess 1/2 inch of tape by cutting flush with the butt end of the shaft. Apply the tape from the bottom side and using your hand roll the tape one side at a time around the top side of the shaft. If a second wrap is required, apply the next layer of build-up tape in the opposite direction from the first. For instance, if the first wrap was applied from the bottom of the shaft up, the second should be applied topside down. If more than 2 wraps are required, rotate the club in the vise 45 degrees in the clamp for each layer. This prevents any gaps or seams from developing in the tape that could be felt under the grip once it is installed. Also, make each layer approximately 1/4 inch shorter in length. This prevents a gap between the shaft and grip and allows the grip to taper smoothly to the shaft. Once the appropriate number of layers are applied to achieve the desired size, apply the two-sided tape, allowing approximately 1/2 inch of the tape to hang over the butt end of the shaft. Apply the two-sided tape from the appropriate position based on the number of layers of build-up tape applied. Take the grip to be installed and plug the small hole in the grip cap by holding your finger over it. Apply the solvent into the grip. Close the open end of the grip by pinching it or holding a finger over it. Tip the grip up and down to coat the inside of the grip with the solvent. Next, slowly pour the grip solvent from inside the grip over the entire length of the tape. It may be necessary to apply additional solvent directly from the grip solvent spray bottle onto the grip tape to ensure complete coverage. To install the grip, grab the grip about 1/2 inch from the open end of the grip and lightly pinch to expand the width of the grip mouth. Once the grip is started, work quickly and push the grip all the way down with one hand covering the hole on the butt cap and the other hand positioned close to the grip mouth. If the grip has alignment marks on the butt end and the mouth end, use these marks to square the grip to the club face. If no alignment marks exist, align the logo of the grip down the center of the shaft or the square position. Once the grip is on, remove the club from the clamp. Hold the club head and tap the butt end of the grip lightly on the floor to ensure the grip is fully seated. As a final check, place the club in the playing position and check the grip position to ensure it is square to the club face. Check the grip size using the universal grip gauge to ensure the proper finish size. Complete the repair order ticket and store the club or clubs in the assigned area. If the customer is waiting, use the proper procedures for checkout of the repair and payment for the grip install service.